In quiet style, 22 Pleasant Street welcomes you home, with its oversized lot located in the residential Old Historic District neighborhood. This classic American Foursquare features finely crafted woodwork, built-in cabinetry, and plenty of natural light. Hallmarks of this style include a pyramidal roofline, center dormer, and a large front sun porch. The traditional layout offers multiple living areas, 3 bedrooms, ample closet space, and an abundance of storage. Enjoy the tranquility of your generous outdoor areas, which include a patio, raised beds, and a 1-bay garage. Just 3 blocks from idyllic Upper Main Street, the old windmill, and all of the amenities of town. To find out more information about this special property, contact Elizabeth Almodovar today.